Hello traders, this is 17th of March 2010 and I have here the daily chart of Euro USD. But this daily chart is not the historical data, this is the intraday data because I use 24 hours, which is 24 times 60 minutes, and I put in my chart 1440 minute chart. This is 1440 minute chart intraday data representing the daily chart of the Euro USD. I use this very often instead of the historical data to see what's going on the chart. It's very clear. If you use 1440 minutes as a daily chart, you will have this pattern very clear compared to the historical data. Here we have a very nice round bottoms for the Euro USD, and it looks like it's going to form a cap and handle. As you can see, this round bottom here, very nice round. Anytime you see round like this, a round price pattern like this, is just telling that there is agreement. This is agreement that there is a bottom here. The price is not going to go further. Even if you put water, if this is like a cup, you put water into it, you remain intact, showing that agreement. Right here, if you follow my cursor, I think this is the handle being formed here. Usually, the handle will come down up to the half of the cap size. So I believe the price should test up to this level here, which is 136.38 level. Will be a nice place to buy, but the best place to buy is to buy when the price break this I'll show you when the price break this resistance level. The resistance here has been confirmed here, validated here, being validated here again, and the price fell, as you can see here. And right now there's another validation of this level here. We'll see whether it's going to go further down. That's what I'm waiting for, to sell here below this. If you follow my recent video, I'll say that I will sell below this pivot level. If the price break it and retest it, I will sell, waiting for the price to come further here. But if it doesn't mean that it's going to go down, but if it did it, then I will follow that. But if the price break this resistance white line and retest it, then we are bull and will be willing to buy here, because then this resistance level will become a support in case it break it and retest it. It must break it first to the upside and then retest it, you know, and hold it. Then the resistance level will become a support. Right now, this white line here is just a resistance level. As you can see, here has been confirmed. Here the price has tested this level, and it went down nicely here. It came back, retest this same level here, and it went down. These two red candles here. All this red thing you see here, these are the pivot level here, because I have this is an intraday data, that's why it's like this. Sorry about that. But here again, it tests the same level here, and then the price went down up to half the size of the cap. Normally the price should retest, so the handle should come up to the half of the size. But if you go further than that, then you will cancel this cap and handle pattern. Usually if the price, the handle goes further than half the size of the cap, you know that it's not a valid one. So right now it is nearly the half. As you can see, if I draw another line here, you will see it clearly that this level here is almost half the size of this. You see, it's just like this. So this is the upper half, this is the lower half here. So the price retest here went back. So I think this is like the handle of this cap being formed nicely here. So we are waiting to see how the price will react in the near future here. If he break this level and retest it, and this level will become a support. So this video is just to show you how important a chart pattern is. You can use a chart pattern and to trade instead of just going to the 5-minute chart, 3-minute chart, 50-minute chart, an hourly chart, and you don't know, because there's a larger trend going on, and you are just on 50-minute chart because stochastic is oversold, overbought, all this RSI, and you can make a valid decision. But if you come on the hourly chart or weekly chart, you see things very clearly. Like now, if the price break this level and retest it, we know straight away that this become a valid support level. So we go back to 5-minute chart, and we will buy on this line, this level here, and put our support below here, a limited risk. Here also, if you knew that this was a resistance level here, you see it on a daily chart now that this is a resistance level, and the price came here. You have to assess what's going on here. That's what these people did here, and they sold it, and it went down. It came back to the same level. People reassess it again. They see weakness and they sell it again. They hold it. It went down again. You see, and then it come back again. Retest it down. People are selling here again. You see this week here. You want people sell at this resistance level again. That's what's happening today. People were selling just because they knew that this line, white line here is a resistance. They just playing that game. Anytime it come below, trying to touch it, they reassess it and just sell there. So, like I said, this is very important, the validity of the resistance and support level. So what we do now, for the future, we will draw lines here and say, okay, this is another support, then this is another support, it will become a resistance. And we just draw this line here, and we wait for the price. This level also is very important level. And what we do, we can do this, and now we have all this, and we can switch back to 5-minute chart. I'll show you back. Change it back to 5 minutes now. This is now 5-minute chart, as you can see here. So you know that these are important level on the chart here. This is an important line. So you wait. This is another line here. This is just the pivot level, but the white line is the very important one on the daily chart. This one, ignore the pink one now. This is just the pivot level here. So we wait for the price. Like here, you see the price went above this important resistance level and cross back below. You see. And you reassess what's going on here, and this trend line was broken here. If I draw the trend line here, the trend line here was broken, you see. So the price went above that level, come back below the trend line broke, you sell, and you know that this is a very strong resistance level. So you wait and be rewarded nicely. You see, it went all the way down the whole day almost, and you are rewarded, you see. So that's how you use the very important daily valid the support and resistance level on 5-minute chart, instead of just going directly to 5 minutes or 3 minutes or 50 minutes and just trade like a crazy person. Don't do that. Use key levels and wait for the price to come there and meet you there, and be ready to watch. Don't just go and sell straight away or buy straight away. Watch the reaction of the price and then use your indicator to confirm that, and with like MACD, and then trade nicely. You see, like I draw this line now, I can keep them like this on my chart and just switch back to 5 minutes, and then the next the price is moving from the level to level, and I'm just watching and see what's going on. Until next time, enjoy yourself, and I hope you enjoy it and be happy. Thank you.